For drop-down list, go to Data, Data Validation, then click on Allow and click on List. Now click on Source and select the name range and press OK. You can see that the drop-down list have been completed and you can select any name by clicking on List. Equal to Vlookup. Select lookup value. For table array, select the range from C8 to I19. We will give column number 2 and false for exact matching. Now, lock the cells by pressing F4. Copy formula and paste in next columns. Now we will change only column number in each cell. So our formula has been completed. You can watch any student detail just clicking on drop-down list. Thanks for watching.